So guys, this is how you get your Dubai police clearance certificate online in just 5 minutes. Type Dubai police clearance certificate in your Google search bar and then search. Tap on the first result. This will land you directly to the Dubai police website page where you can apply for your PPC. So tap on access service. As you can see here, this service provides applicants with a certificate that proves their good conduct in the United Arab Emirates. From a security and a criminal perspective, this certificate can be used for any purpose like work, study, immigration, or even obtaining a license. Also note that this certificate is valid for just 1 month after the date of issuance. So, before we actually apply for our PCC, let's look at the fees that are associated with this service. Okay, for citizens, they will have to pay 100 dirhams. For residents in the UAE, they have to pay 200 dirhams. If you're applying from outside of the United Arab Emirates, you'll have to pay 300 dirhams or $80. Knowledge and innovation fees is 20 dirham, and an additional fee will be applied to those who want to apply from typing centers in person. It will be 100 dirhams. So if you apply right here online, you save 100 dirhams. Which are the payment methods that are accepted? Of course, you can use cash if you apply through a typing center. Visa and MasterCards will also be accepted. Apple Pay is also another method of payment. The documents that are required are your personal photo, passport copy, and a copy of your previous residence visa or your current visa. Go ahead and tap on the apply button so that we can apply for our Dubai police clearance certificate. Here, you'll have to fill this application form by providing more information about yourself. Start by choosing whether you are a citizen or a resident who stays inside UAE, or you are someone who is applying from outside UAE, or a visitor inside UAE but not holding an Emirates ID. Let me select a citizen / resident inside UAE. Go ahead and enter your Emirates ID in this box here. Once that is done, select the purpose why you need this police clearance certificate. Remember, it can be work, marriage, study, immigration purposes, and many more. Let me choose work. We have two options, whether you want to submit to a government sector or to a private sector. It will depend on your personal preference why you need this clearance. Let me select private sector. Also, you have to choose the language. We have Arabic and English. So if you chose a private entity or even government sector, you'll have to select specifically the entity that you want to submit this clearance to. So again, this will depend on personal preference. All right, let me select Emirates Group. Go ahead and enter your email address in this box here, and again confirm it in the box below. Accept to the terms and conditions of this service, and also verify that you are not a robot, and then tap on next. Here you'll have to confirm the number that is linked to your Emirates ID. You have two options, yes and no. If this is the number that is attached to your Emirates ID, tap on yes and then tap on next. If this is not the number that is registered to your ID, tap on no and then enter the mobile number you want to use. By the way, if you don't know the number that is attached to your Emirates ID, you can use the video. I will attach it there somewhere on the screen to learn how to check the number and how to update or even change, okay, the number that is attached to your Emirates ID. So you will receive a confirmation code on the number. Go ahead and enter this OTP and then tap on next. This is our payment details. 200 dirhams for the good conduct certificate as a fee, and then 20 dirhams for knowledge and innovation, making it a total of 220 dirhams. Remember, if you choose to get this certificate from a typing center, you'll have to pay 320 as a total. So go ahead and accept to the terms and conditions by tapping checkbox and then tap on pay now. As you can see on the screen, we have different paying methods like the credit card, the net banking where you can send money directly from your account to the Dubai police account, even buy now and pay later with Tabi. So for the sake of this video, let me select credit card and then tap on the pay button. The payment page will be open. Go ahead and enter your card details, starting with the card number, expiry date, and then your CVV number, and confirm the amount you're going to pay, which is 220 dirhams, and then tap on the pay button. So guys, that is how you apply for your Dubai police clearance certificate online in just 5 minutes. You'll receive a copy in your email.